Cheers to these beef ribs. I tell you what.
You ready? Let's go.
So today I'm going to be making another thing of plate beef ribs. The difference is I'm going to do this on the Blaze Kamado on the rotisserie. Since those baby backs turned out so good, I've been thinking about this. I'm also been marinating these beef ribs in a little bit of Asian flair. Got some teriyaki sauce in there as well as some soy sauce and some other ingredients. So I'll be curious to see how this turns out. Let's go ahead, let's get it on the rotisserie and let's see how this thing turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. Like I said, I've never done beef ribs on the rotisserie. I didn't do baby backs the last time I did those, so hey, it's all about trying new things, and let's see how this goes. Get these seasoned up. And basically what I'm going to be using to season these up, a little bit of this sriracha sea salt from our friends at Gasket. Give it a little bit of a kick, right? And then next, after I add the sriracha sea salt, and I did leave a little bit of the fat on here just because I wasn't sure how this rotisserie was going to go. It's okay, it's not going to be a big deal. Throw a little bit of this paprika on here. I do this mostly for color. And then last but not least, I'm going to try out this spicy Thai seasoning on here. So we're going a little Asian flair. We'll see how that goes, how it works out. Next, let's go ahead, get this on the rotisserie unit itself, and then we'll get it on the grill, which should be going by now. And should be ready to go. So here we go. I got the beef ribs on this spindle for the rotisserie. Gonna go on the Blaze Kamado here. Let's go ahead, get it on the grill, start spinning this thing, and let's see how it turns out. Also, just for reference, scored the back of the membrane. I didn't take it off this time. I just want to see how it holds up. And like I said, I've been using that marinade on here too. So I'll be curious to see how it turns out. So without further ado, let's get to it. Oh yeah, look at all that smoke. We'll go ahead and get this on here. Basically insert it into the motor over here. And then of course put this over here like that. And then we'll go ahead, we'll get these beef ribs spinning and it should be good. Alright, so here we go. Got the beef plate ribs on the rotisserie. We'll see how it turns out. Should be a good one. Definitely excited about it. Never done this before. Hit me up in the comments down below. Obviously hit that like button if you like what you see so far, and of course definitely hit that subscribe button if you like the content that I'm putting out, and of course let me know in the future what you'd like to see cook on here as well. Definitely think this rotisserie is going to turn out good. We'll see. Only time will tell. And like I said, this should be a good one. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and spray these since I don't have my normal technique of a pan underneath. Just basically get some beef broth as well as some other stuff in there. But yeah, it's coming along nicely as you can tell. Definitely looking forward to seeing how this turns out. First time ever doing beef ribs on a rotisserie, I gotta say that. So hopefully it turned out as good as those baby backs did. You can kind of see where I've basically cross-hatched the back of that membrane too. So in any case, a long ways to go. Looking forward to see how it turns out. Also, I ended up using string to just get this thing to hold tighter. It is what it is, but like I said, hopefully these turn out. I definitely think they will. Let's see where we're at. Oh yeah, look at those. Looks like I got some nice bone pulls coming along. Go ahead and spray these down a little bit, but yeah, the rotisserie beef ribs are coming along nicely. So far so good on the Blaze Kamado. Definitely looking forward to see how this turns out. Obviously I got the Prime 6 charcoal over there running hot. I also had a few cubes in there too, just some post over, but that was the last I had. Might have to get some more. Anyway, you can see this is coming along nicely. And man, I tell you what, those beef ribs look crazy good already. Man, they look good. So there they are. You can see the smoke ring, the juice. Definitely the rotisserie worked out fine. Definitely worked out as good as I thought it would. I'm gonna get some pictures of this. As you can see, this definitely turned out good. Cheers to these beef ribs. I'll tell you what, never gets old making beef ribs. Was able to do so on the Blaze Kamado rotisserie, which was fun. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and obviously hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and from now on, it's good cooking.